city of lakes and forts. But what about the food? In this video, I am exploring the food of Udaipur. So, stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I am doing a sit down and talk video. This is something that I am experimenting with for the first time. So I am in Udaipur and I am vlogging the whole trip. So wo vlog you can see here by clicking the link. But I am also going to be covering the food of Udaipur, and that's what I am going to be documenting throughout my trip. So the first location that I am at is Amritsariyat. Here we are here for lunch of day one. Amritsariyat is a restaurant which is just near to the city palace. It is a new restaurant जो कि अभी खुला है, and the ambience is very comfortable. The prices are quite affordable as well. All the locations, timings, details will be in the description box below, so you can go check that out. And let the food arrive and I'll tell you how it was. We went in for a paneer butter masala and dal makhani. Paneer butter masala had a very strong flavor of kali mirch and the gravy was quite thick. बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर था बटर का भी. पनीर के पीसेस काफ़ी ज़्यादा थे. It was very wholesome. थोड़ा हैवी भी था but it was nice. दाल मखनी comparatively थोड़ी कम अच्छी थी. I did not like it as compared to Delhi's दाल मखनी, but it was quite decent. The roti here was also very thin, easy to eat और बहुत soft भी थी. The paneer pieces were breaking very effortlessly, and overall our experience here was a good one. This place is a decent one. If you are coming here you can try this, but it is not necessary. Our second destination was Polki Khana. This is a cafe inside City Palace which is famous for its drinks and a beautiful view. The weather was lovely and it was complementing our stay perfectly. So right now our second destination is this cafe in City Palace. This is famous for its beautiful views and their drinks. So we have ordered a Virgin Mojito, a Pink City, and we have ordered a Choco Bliss, which is a category of cold coffee. So let's see how it is. Our first drink, Choco Bliss, was a tasty one. बाहर एक चॉकलेट का स्क्वॉल था with a lot of whipped cream and chocolate chips on top, which was match made in heaven. Apart from all of these famous restaurants, you can even find small cafes and stalls near Fateh Sagar Lake if you want to eat something or snack on. But most famous is the Sai Sagar Coffee and More. As the name suggests, ये अपनी coffee के लिए extremely famous है. Again, very affordable and a perfect snacking option. You can enjoy your food with a beautiful lake view. I ordered a cold coffee with ice cream and it was delicious. Our next step was Sahelio Ki Bari, and right opposite to it was this Nariyal Pani Wala. You should definitely invest on a lot of liquids when you are in any parts of Udaipur because it was a bit hot. Our next destination was to try a Rajasthani thali. So we went on to Gordon Thal. The best way to explore Udaipur food is to ask the locals, and this place was recommended by them. A great ambience, perfect family restaurant. Affordable prices. Also, ये थाली unlimited थी, so you can take food again and again if you want to. They serve it with papad, bhalu shahi, pahadi kheer which was yum, palak corn, moong, aloo sabzi which was a little sweet, paneer lababdar, dal bati churma which is a staple in Rajasthani food, served with ghee, dal and chutney, Rajasthani curry, batak rasawala, buttermilk or छाछ, tawa roti with ghee, bedmi puri, khaman, and chand tara, along with some steamed rice. This was a complete fulfilling meal, but it was extremely light. इसको खा के बिल्कुल हैवी नहीं होगा. दाल बाटी चूरमा was extremely tasty. बाहर से crispy, अंदर से soft, and chutney was so good. Khaman was very soft. It was drained in ghee, and this is the only difference between a dhokla and khaman. Chand tara was tasty. It had potatoes, साबुदाना था and a little bit of green chilies which was adding that spice जो उसको next level पे ले गया. मूंग सब्जी was comparatively thick और बहुत एक नई डिश थी. पालक कॉर्न was also tasty. कॉर्न एक sweetness ला रहा था और पालक थोड़ी सी bitterness. This whole thali was very tasty. If you are in Udaipur, you should not miss this. This place was Amrai Ghat. Beautiful and very peaceful. Come here for sunset and you are not going to regret it. We went on for a dinner near Amrai Ghat to this restaurant called Lakeshore. It offered a candlelight dinner at affordable price and with a very beautiful view of the lake. Lights of City Palace were reflected into the lake and this made our food extremely tasty. Again, the menu was very affordable for a candlelight dinner with this spectacular view. There were a lot of options from snacks to desserts to main course. For drink, we went with a chocolate shake which was served with chocolate ice cream and a drizzle of chocolate sauce on top. It was quite decent but not very good. Then we went on with another speciality which is cheese balls. Crisp from the outside with oozy gooey cheese from the inside, served with 2 dips, ketchup and green chutney. Very tasty. It also had a hint of spice because इसमें green chilies भी थी and a little bit of chaat masala on top which gave it an Indian taste. It was so tasty. Then we went on to one of the most special dishes which is gatta curry. This was so tasty. This was one of the best things we had in Udaipur. ग्रेवी बहुत ही ज़्यादा थिक थी और टेस्टी थी. गट्टास वर वेरी सॉफ्ट, बहुत इजीली टूट रहे थे एंड विद तवा रोटी दिस वॉज अ वेरी लाइट मील. We thoroughly enjoyed our experience over here and loved this place. Our next place was Sai Baba Paratha Center. This is a place by which locals swear. It was so busy and crowded here and we knew कि ये जगह पक्का अच्छी होने वाली है. They were making fresh parathas because it was very busy and were stuffing it generously. हमने यहाँ पर ऑर्डर किया आलू एंड प्याज का पराठा. दे वर बोथ सेपरेट. इसके साथ आपको मिल जाएगा दही, आलू एंड दाल की सब्जी, टमाटर चटनी एंड लॉट्स ऑफ बटर. वी ऑल्सो वेंट इन फॉर अ चाय टू complete our meal, which is served in a cooler that takes it to another level. These parathas were so tasty. They were very thick. Also the atta ka layer was thin. It was not maida. These parathas were so tasty. The filling was very flavorful. इसमें सौंफ भी डाला हुआ था. That was adding a lot of flavor. और आलू दाल की सब्जी was so tasty. Our next stop was JMB, Jodhpur Mishthan Bhandar, to try some amazing Rajasthani kachori and pakoda because when in Rajasthan we cannot miss these two things. We went in for a pyaz kachori, dal kachori and patra. They were cutting it into 6 pieces and serving it with loads and loads of green chutney made out of coriander and green chilies, imli ki chutney which was sweet and Rajasthani curry which was comparatively thick. Although it looked like ghee, lekin it was curry. We also went in for a patra which was made out of arbi ke patte served with green chilies and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. The prices were very affordable and this place is very famous among locals. The pyaz kachori here was super tasty. I know I'm saying this very much in this video, but this was out of the world. All three of us extremely enjoyed this. It was crisp from the outside and the filling was so tasty. It had a lot of Rajasthani spices and had both flavors of sweet and salty. One bite into this and you are going to go into heaven. If you are in Udaipur, please do not miss this. Next spot was Chappan Bhog. It is again a restaurant by which locals swear. Again, it was very busy and crowded. It was more of a family restaurant and again it had a lot of options ranging from Chinese, Punjabi, continental, North Indian, Gujarati items and whatnot. For our order here, we went in for a fresh lime soda to cool ourselves from that hot weather. This was so tasty, it had a mix of sweet and saltiness. Then we went in for a Rajasthani thali. This came with halwa, kale chane, palak, curry, gatta, dal, two types of chutneys, papad, salad, tandoori roti, rice, dal bati, churma and whatnot. We also tried dal makhni over here and hot chocolate brownie, which was yum by the way. The thali here was comparatively less tasty than that from Gordhan Thal, but you can try it if you want to. This place was recommended by a driver, so we went in here and it was quite decent. I hope you liked this video, and if you want me to make more such videos, then please comment down below. Like, share with all the friends who are visiting to Udaipur and subscribe to my channel.